this tutorial we are using Alipearl hair. This is their Peruvian body wave and this is the frontal. So the wig was actually made by Cypher and it was plucked by Cypher and customized by Cypher. So Juliet from Luscious Locks is going to be styling the wig and she's going to be applying the wig on my head. So to start off, she's curling the wig. She's curling the wig with the curling wand. She's really meticulous with how she curls. I love the way she pays attention to detail. Like I said earlier, the wig was already customized by Cypher, but she's just going in to customize it a little bit more to my hairline. She really takes her time to pluck properly. So she's just basically plucking random areas just to match with my hairline a little bit better. In regards to the hair itself, the bundles are really soft, really shiny, really smooth. My only problem with the wig itself is the lace. I feel like the frontal feels a little bit thick and it also has a little bit of a grey tinge to it. So if I was to say there was anything for them to work on, it would definitely be the quality of their frontals. Other than that, the hair is great. Juliet's going to use the Kera Care wax stick and she's going to apply that all over the frontal. This is basically just to help it lay down really well. So when we start applying the wig with the glue, the hair doesn't have any flyaways and it doesn't move around. I'm just going to use a toothbrush just to smooth that in, and then we're going to start applying. So now the hair is all curled, we're going to start applying, and as you guys can see on camera, the lace was too light for my skin tone. So Juliet mixed up her special concoction. It's basically just lace tint, and she's going to spray that all over the lace. She's going to blow dry that to lock it all in. Now we're all tinted, time to cut off the lace. So at first she's just going to size up the hairline to my head just to see how everything's looking. It still looks a little bit grey like I mentioned. The thing about grey frontals is that no matter how much you tint them, they're still going to have that grey undertone. So it's really important that your frontal is either transparent or matches to your skin tone. So we're going to cut the ear tabs off with a pair of shears. I'm normally really bad at doing this, so literally whenever I need to do my hair, I literally just watch back my old hair videos and watch the stylists do their thing and try my best to copy whatever they're doing. After the ear tabs have been cut off, we are going to cut off the excess lace on my forehead as well. So Juliet is going to do this in a zigzag motion just to mimic the hairline and to make everything look really natural and really seamless. The lace is all cut off and we're ready to go. I forgot to mention this earlier, but the hair itself, the bundles, they're really thick and really soft, really shiny, my type of steez. As you guys can see, the lace is melting pretty good, but still has that slight grey tinge, but we move. Juliet's just going to take off my excess makeup just so the lace sits a little bit better on my forehead. Then she's going to apply, I think it's Ghost Bond that she used. I think it's the Ghost Bond, the Super Hold, but I'll leave the details down below. Everything else at this stage is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let you watch it. But just in case you don't know, she applies a few coats of the glue, lets it dry clear, and then places the frontal on top, and then we're gonna go back into style. So I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy some music and watch along basically. So yeah.